for the eye itself. This one, that one is showing you most of the extra, the accessory muscles and the accessory glands. Okay, so let's start with this one, which is the eye globe itself. So it's showing you the wall. Okay, the wall of the globe, and we said you have 3 layers. Okay, the first one, the white one, it's the sclera, and we said the sclera anteriorly, like continue with the cornea. Okay, so this is the outermost one. The this layer here, the vascular layer, and it's like black layer, it's pigmented layer, it's called the choroid. The choroid anteriorly form like the, what is this? This part. No. Before that. So what is, hold on. So in this model, this layer of vessels, and this one is the choroid. Okay, so this is the choroid. Anteriorly, posteriorly, this is the choroid, and it's like pigmented and very vascular. Anteriorly, you have what? What is this?
Ciliary body.
The ciliary body. And the ciliary body, we said you have the ciliary muscle,
Ligament.
the ciliary muscle, and the ciliary process, and the suspensory ligaments. Okay, what is the function of the suspensory process? This one, the ciliary process. Sorry.
It's just the pupil. It's just the pupil.
No. The ciliary this.
Oh, work on lens.
It expands it, or it holds it.
That's the muscle and the suspensory ligaments. But this one secretes. No, not the tears. The tears is this one.
Okay.
The aqueous fluid that gets into the anterior chamber. Okay, so this one will filtrate or secrete the aqueous fluid. Okay, the ciliary muscle and the suspensory ligaments are the ones that are involved in the accommodation. Okay, so this is the lens. The lens is attached to the ciliary muscle with these ciliary ligaments, and when this one contracts, the lens
Round. Or when it's contractable, it's going to be
round, and when it relaxes,
it's going to be
okay. Now, anteriorly, the choroid and the ciliary body continue with what? What is this one? The iris. Okay, the iris. This is the ciliary body and the choroid form what layer? All together. Uvea. Okay, so choroid, ciliary body, and iris form the uvea. So what is the function of the iris?
It's just the pupil. It's just the pupil.
Adjust the size of change the size of the pupil. Okay, so to control how much light gets inside the into the retina. Sorry. So we talked about one abnormal condition. Okay, if we have like too much fluid, too much aqueous fluid, what is that condition?
Conjunctiva.
No, the conjunctiva is an inflammation of the conjunctiva. The conjunctivitis is an inflammation of the conjunctiva. But what if we have too much fluid here? What we call that? The glaucoma. Okay. What about if this lens here is like opaque? It's not the cataract. Okay. So last layer is this one here is the retina. And what we said about this point here, what is the name of this area here?
Optic disc.
The optic disc. And what is the special thing about the optic disc?
Blind spot.
The blind spot. What about this one?
The phobia.
The fovea. Okay, what is the special thing about the
No rods. Too many cones.
too many cones, and it's the highest visual acuity. Okay. So again, if I point in here, if I point in this area here, it's still the ciliary body. Okay. If I point here, it's the ciliary muscle. It's part of the ciliary body. It's just here is showing you the whole thing, and here is showing you more details. So this one is the ciliary muscle, which is part of the ciliary body, and here you have the ciliary process. Okay, and these are the suspensory ligaments. And this one, of course, is the optic nerve. Okay, so this is all about this model.